Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook preserved egg and pork slice congee. And these are the ingredients you need. 2 preserved eggs. This is the package for the preserved egg that I use. A cup of rice, a teaspoon of ginger, pork tenderloin, 1 pound, but this is more than 1 pound. I'm going to use half of it. Water, oil, cornstarch, sesame oil, light soy, and salt. I have 1 cup of rice, so I'm going to rinse it. I'm rinsing the rice until the water is clear, so about 2 to 3 times. Okay, the rice has been rinsed and it's clean, and now I'm going to add 9 cups of water. 1 cup of rice, same cup, and 9 cups of water. Turn on the heat to high and cook it to a boil. While I'm waiting for the congee to boil, I am preparing the meat. This pork tenderloin is like a pound or maybe a little bit over a pound, so I'm going to use half of it. I'll use this half. You just cut it the way you like it. I like it like thinly sliced. So now this one is getting too big, so I cut the tenderloin into half and then cut it this way. So it will be thinly sliced. In total this is like half a pound, but if you like more meat you can always add more. Okay, we need a ginger for the congee, 1 teaspoon. That's about 1 teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to put the minced ginger into the meat. I'm putting in half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon light soy, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and then mix it. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of water. Set aside. Okay, the congee is boiling now, so I'm going to stir it. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Now I add in some oil, a teaspoon. And now let it boil for 15 minutes. No cap on, otherwise it's going to spill. Now the congee has been cooking for 15 minutes without the cap, boiling, so it looks like this. The texture. Cover it back. Turn off the stove and let it sit for half hour. Okay, the congee has been sitting with the stove off for half hour, and this is what it looks like. Turn the stove back to high, wait until it boils, and then I'm going to add in the pork. While we are waiting for the congee to boil, we can prepare the preserved egg. Just crack it like this. And then peel it, and this is what it looks like. And then cut into big pieces or small pieces. It's up to your own preference. I cut into 6. 8. I cut into 8 and put it aside. Do the same thing to the other one. Now the congee is boiling. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. And it's the texture that I wanted. I'm going to put in the marinated pork slices. Watch out, it's boiling like crazy, so I'm going to put it aside and then put it in. It's too hot. Now I can put it back into the stove and let it stir. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It's not boiling yet because the meat is cold, so therefore it makes the thing not boiling. Okay, so it's been cooking like 2 minutes, and the pork is already cooked. You can see the color change, and my congee is boiling. And now I'm going to put in the preserved egg. If it's too thick for you, the congee, then you can add some boiling water and then make it to the stir it until the texture you like. If it's too runny, you can boil it and it will get thicker as you boil a little bit longer. Add some sesame seed oil, like a teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon to a tablespoon to your own preference. And add salt if it's not salty for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.